Good morning, everyone. We have already done all the formats regarding descriptive composition, narrative, imaginative, and picture composition. But here we are left with one kind of composition or essay, that is critical composition. We have done it in 9th standard also. So you will have to pay attention to the structure. It will become very easy for you to attempt. For example, we are given an essay, brain drain is not a boon for the developing countries. Brain drain means the educated people of one country, more specifically they are underdeveloped or developing countries, to the developed countries like European countries for their better future. So we are given the heading, brain drain is not a boon for the developing country. First you will have to think if you are in the favor of the topic or not. So this is quite obvious and vivid that we are in the favor of the topic, because we also think that this is a very dangerous or having fatal consequences for the home country of the individual. इसकी country के लिए इसके बहुत ही ज़्यादा fatal effects हैं, because the country is going to lose its educated people. So it is a kind of a curse for the country. So it's quite obvious now that we are in the favor of the statement. हम इसको agree करते हैं. तो how we will write it? Firstly, we will have to give the meaning. I have written the meaning of this brain drain. We will have to take out the keyword and we will have to give the meaning. Brain drain. I have given the meaning in one line. Brain drain is an emigration on the part of the literate means educated individuals from developing countries to developed countries. So up to this I have written meaning. Then I will just give a line to give the clue whether I am in the favor or not. So I hold affirmation. अगर तो मैं agree करती हूँ, I will write I hold affirmation. If I don't agree, I will write I don't hold affirmation. Clear? So I hold affirmation with the given heading. So I will write I hold affirmation, means I agree with the provided observation, or the statement also you can write, which is of the view that the flow of now we will have to write the meaning. We are going to write it into another verse. We need not to repeat the verse. In the simple language we will have to write this line. So it will be affirmation with the provided observation up to this. Then I will write the same line, which is of the view that flow of educated person from their motherland. Educated person, brain drain I will define. Educated person from their motherland to other countries to seek the better future is detrimental for their own condition. Detrimental means having a fatal consequences, has bad effects, which is going to be justified. Now just cram this line of the first paragraph. This line, cram it. Which is going to be justified by throwing light on the relevant aspects to cover up the whole scenario of the essay. So like this, your intro is done. Firstly, give the meaning, then say whether you are in the favor or not, then simplify the given line, then the last line, which is common to all the critical compositions, will write this line. So this is the structure that is given by me. So after understanding this structure, it will become very easy for you to attempt this essay. So now we are in the favor. अगर तो आप favor करते हो, you will have to give firstly 2 points in positive. अगर आप agree नहीं करते, then you will have to give 2 points in negative. Clear? Firstly, in the this is called introductory paragraph. This is called first BP1. Body paragraph first. So this phrase you will write firstly. Embarking with the points means starting with the points. Embarking with the points means starting with the points. Then give 2 points in positive. Positive will be that this is a जिसमें आप लिख सकते हो कि दिस इज रियली वेरी मीन्स दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर द कंट्री, एज द कंट्री इज गोइंग टू बी लूज its elite persons like doctors, engineers, so there cannot be any kind of development in the country. So like this you can give 2 points. Then in the second paragraph, it doesn't mean if you are in the favor of this topic then there is no any negative aspect of this point. तो इस चीज़ के side effect भी हो सकते हैं. So you can write here, for example, the poor countries where there is no any resources on to live on, so the individual have to migrate to the developed countries like this. So taking the mindset to other perspective point of view, these phrases you will have to cram, you will write as it is, taking the mindset to the other perspective point of view. So here you will write 2 negative points. फर्स्टली इन द फेवर वी हैव रिटन, देन उसके अपोजिट भी हम लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि ब्रेन ड्रेन इज अ बोन, वहाँ लिखा ना इज नॉट अ बोन, नाउ वी विल गिव इज अ बोन. हाउ इट इज अ बोन? बिकॉज इट इज द काइंड ऑफ हेल्पिंग हैंड फॉर द अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज एंड डाउन ट्रोडन्स हु डोंट हैव एनी रिसोर्सेज टू लिव ऑन. सो लाइक दिस, so they can migrate to those countries, and as well as the underdeveloped or developing countries, the educated person who are dwelling here, they can migrate, they can move to those countries for their betterment, better future, for their better education. So like this you can give here 2 points. Then last paragraph, in nutshell or to conclude, or these 2 words are sufficient. In nutshell it can be said, so like this you can say like this is in vogue. Vogue means trend. This is in trend that the individual are migrating. फिर आप लिख सकते हो now you will have to choose the one. Conclusion में firstly हमने positive में इसको we have already we said that we are in the favor of this topic, तो 2 favor में दे दिए, 2 जो है opposite भी दे दिए उस favor के कि हाँ ऐसे भी हो सकता है. बट इन द लास्ट यू आर गोइंग टू कंक्लूड, यू आर गोइंग टू योर ओन व्यू पॉइंट, इट मीन्स योर व्यू पॉइंट. आफ्टर मेकिंग एनालिसिस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इवेंचुअली? इवेंचुअली मीन्स एट द लास्ट. इवेंचुअली वर्ड ऑल्सो you can use here. Eventually means at the last. I have concluded means I word you will use here. I deem. Deem word you can use. Deem is think. Eventually means at the last. I think that this vogue. Vogue means trend. Vogue means trend. This trend has detrimental effects or fatal consequences. Fatal consequences for the ज़्यादा तो हम इस चीज़ के फेवर में है ना, दिस इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग, सो वी विल स्टैंड एट द लास्ट. जिस चीज़ को हमने स्टार्टिंग में स्टैंड किया था, द सेम थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू रिपीट एट द लास्ट इन द कंक्लूजन ऑल्सो, दैट दिस हैज़ फैटल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज. although it has a few of the positive points, but still it has fatal consequences for the home country. So like this we will write. Clear? I hope you have already understood the topic. Now you are going to write on the same topic. I have already given the introduction, you will understand it, and just give 2 points here. 2 in positive, yes this is a boon. 2 in negative, firstly not a boon, we have already in the favor, this is not a boon. Here this is not a bane. Bane means this is not a fretful, this is not dangerous, this is not a like a poison, मतलब this is not this is in the favor. So ये boon नहीं है, this is not a boon, this is a boon, this is a boon. तो यहाँ आप उसके opposite दोगे 2 points, then conclude कर दोगे last पे your own viewpoint. So this is your critical composition, and you will have to write on the same topic. So this is your assignment. Thank you.